In this video, we're going to give a quick overview of the Rival One for Excel add-in. We're going to show you how to install it and how to use all the cool functionality. So let's get started. I'm going to pull up a new spreadsheet and I'm going to click on add-ins. I'm going to pull up the Microsoft App Source and just search for Rival. I'll see Rival One for Excel. I click add and it will automatically pop up into the ribbon on top of your spreadsheet. You click on it, it'll pull up our login page. You add your Rival One credentials, and once you log in, you'll see this admin pane. So the way this works is we're using a web add-in. Unlike the traditional RTD technology, this is actually connecting through the cloud into our platform using our JSON formatted WebSocket API. The benefit of that is that it can run on Excel in a browser, on a Mac, on a Windows machine, and it also allows us to add basically this web page inside of Excel, which allows us to do some cool features that I'll show you here. So one of the key benefits is you don't actually have to use a formula to pull data in. You can just pick which fields you want and the data will automatically show up. So for anything I have a position in, I want to see, let's say, the category, the total P&L. There's tons of information here. Let's say current position. We'll keep it simple. I'm trading options, so I want to see some Greeks, and I want to pull in the theoretical price and the volatility. And then for trades, I want to see the symbol, buy or sell, quantity, and price. So now I just hit subscribe and the data will automatically pop into the spreadsheet. You can see on the left side here we have all of the position information. So anything I have a position in is going to show up here. It's going to update in real time automatically. I can see all the Greeks that we picked, the theoretical price, the volatility. If I trade something new, it's just going to pop into the row below it. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to subscribe and the data will flow in. Same thing for trades. As you trade something new, this section is where you'll see all your trades. The next trade just pops in on the bottom. So by having the data in this fixed position, it allows you to create pivot tables, formulas, charts, all sorts of cool stuff without having to write any formulas. But let's say you do want to have data into a specific cell and maybe you don't have a position in that data, you just want to subscribe for something. So let's show you how to do that. We will create a hot watch and I'm just going to type in a symbol, and let's say we want the bid, the ask, and the last. I'm going to use our custom rival.sub formula, and the inputs are very simple. It's just the symbol and what data you're looking for. So let's say bid. And so now that pulled the bid information in. I'm going to lock that column so I can copy this formula over. And then I'm going to just replace this with ask and last. And just like that, I've got a hot watch that's subscribing to live market data. Because it's in Excel, now I can very easily have a new symbol, take the formula, just copy it down, and I can very easily subscribe for something. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. It's very powerful. And if we go back to the sample spreadsheet, you can get a better sense of some of the things you can do. So this is a pivot table based off my position. This is the hot watch based off of pulling in data for each individual symbol. I've got a yield curve that's looking at SOFR prices. I've got a spreads matrix, future spreads matrix that's looking at the market for each individual future, as well as the listed future on the exchange. You can see the different formulas that I'm using. So as you can see, there's tons of stuff that you can do once you get the data into Excel, and it's really easy to use. We are going to be continuing to add more and more functionality to the Rival One for Excel add-in, so we're excited to create more videos and keep a lookout. Thank you.